Alright, so I've got several different orchid planter sizes and colors. I started out with this little one, which I found out was probably a bit too small for the orchids. This was one that I thought had holes in it, but it was just a side pattern. There's actually no holes on the side, so that's probably not good for orchids with the drainage. And so I took that one and I scaled it up. This is like, I think this might work as a tea light instead. So that definitely projects off some pretty cool patterns. And then after that one, we went to a larger, I think I scaled that up probably 30%. I did this one with a blue purple PETG. So this one is definitely stronger, much more durable. And then we did a multicolor version. Same size. This was a silk PLA, and then I ran out of material at the top, so I threw in the closest I could find to that orange, which was a watermelon color. So we'll see how they like that. And I kind of wanted to see what this looked like with the tea lights in it. And then I did one of these in the clay rainbow color. This is the original. Let's do the tea light test on these. And the silk, blue-green silk PLA, just a different pattern. This one will give kind of a color change effect. And then I've got these other orchid ones, which just deflashing one of them. So this one actually prints out with a little tray that you can set it on, and the bottom is wide open, so lots of ventilation. And the tea light version. And then we've got the blue one. This was done with a blue marble PLA, so there's some marble specks in it. And if we want to do the tea light test on that one, And then for the bonus round, here is this one is just a tea light. This is not a planter. Let's take a little Zen flower. This is done also with that blue marble PLA. And tea light mode. This one looks really cool with the lights off.